Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money in iPay. So if your iPay balance is low and you want to add money, don't worry, it's very easy. First, open the iPay app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, look for add money, top up or load wallet. Tap on it. Now choose how many money you want to add. Select the option that works best for you. Enter the amount you want to add to your iPay wallet. Double check the amount to avoid mistake. Tap continue and confirm. Enter your PIN, password or OTP code to approve the payment. Please wait for a few seconds while the transaction is processed. Once the payment is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Your iPay balance is updated immediately and within a few minutes. If the money doesn't show up, don't panic, check your internet connection and refresh the app. You can also check the transaction history from the details. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.